Hello, today we're going to make a delicious latte macchiato using a Bosch Tassimo coffee making machine. The Tassimo hot beverage system is a consumer single-serve coffee system that prepares 1 cup servings of espresso, regular coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and various other coffee drinks, like the latte macchiato here. The brand is owned by JDE Peet's and the most of the world and Kraft Heinz in North America. We're going to use here this Bosch Tassimo machine to make a delicious latte macchiato. Because this is beverage. The name is Italian for stained milk, referring to the way the drink is prepared. By pouring a shot of espresso into steamed milk, it is play on a coffee macchiato, and all the drink consisting of espresso marked with a dollop or two of milk or cream. Latte macchiato differs from cafe latte in several ways. First, in a latte macchiato, espresso is added to milk rather than a milk to espresso. Second, a latte macchiato features more foam rather than simply hot milk. A latte macchiato often used only of an espresso shot or less. Finally, latte macchiato is often a layered drink rather than being mixed. And we're going to make here now a layered drink by using our Bosch Tassimo coffee making machine. For this, we will need 2 discs. The first disc, as you can see in that video, we applied the white out into our glass. You see, this is the milk foam, the frothing. Okay, let's perform now the second layer by using a disc. The disc itself comes with a coat on it. So we have to get this disc upside down, and the scanner on the machine of the Tassimo hot beverage system will know about this coat, what the beverage should be. And the second layer will be a shot of delicious espresso. This will dip into our frothing, and this both will create a latte macchiato. Before you insert a disc, you have to shake it. Do not forget this. And if you have much space in your cup or in glass left, then you can push again and hold this button to make an extra volume of delicious espresso or milk foam. So you can gain your drink a little bit more. And after this 3 or 4 minutes, a latte macchiato is ready to serve and ready to drink after a short period of cool down, baby. This is how to perform a latte macchiato using a Tassimo hot beverage system. It's not good for the nature, but it's good for our taste, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel or to our next latte macchiato. Oh, delicious latte macchiato. Yeah, job's done, baby. Let's have a drink now. So and so.